So I'm vlogging from Publix. They have these buy one get one free, so I'm going to get a couple of these. Bottom line, I'm trying to leave out here with a $50 Sephora gift card. If my transactions go right, then I definitely will. So next we have the $2, no, the $1 off of A2 Suave. Mix and match. And then I have a 75% off of one coupon that'll mix with that. And they have it for, let's see. So they have it for $2.19, so we will get 10. So up next we got some 2 for $4 crisp. I got some $3 off coupons from the dentist office for this, and they also have $1.89 for the kids one if I want to get that and have a little bit of That's an awesome deal for Johnson & Johnson. It's 25% off. Plus, let's see, regular price $3.96. We got some $2 off of one coupons plus 25% off. They have some down there for $3.29 as well. So I have my coupons all set and I'm about to head to the register. In case they don't have these at the register, I always bring one of these with me as well. So if everything goes right, everything in this cart with a $50 gas card should come to about $15 and some change. So let's pray for a smooth transaction. The gas station of your choice, but I did ExxonMobil because ExxonMobil is connected to Plenty. My Plenty points through Rite Aid and Macy's and all that stuff that I use for makeup. So everything kind of tied together. As y'all watch me further along in my vlogs, I'll make it make sense. 108.28. So I'm still, this is not a free transaction, but you know, it is what it is. But I mean, the gas card deal is included.
Yeah, I went up there to see again. I'm trying to follow the guidelines that I've heard, but I want to make sure it's going to be okay that I put these on the same order. What I should have done, I should have
the competitor coupon?
No, separated the transaction so I could use both of these.
I only have one competitor's coupon though.
For money off the groceries. Meaning off your total order.
For $5?
You got $10 off the total order, the gas order.
Right.
And that takes $10 off your full order.
I wish she can. Okay, so $27.68, and that's with the $50 gas card. So I try to make it make sense because the coach can use the gas card, you know. When it's 24 6-packs of Gatorade, 10 bottles of Suave body wash, 6 Johnson & Johnson baby wash and baby shampoo, 4 Gatorade bars. What else? Okay, y'all, so in this episode, as the coupon turned, y'all see that 50 cent off Fiji? Buy little doubles will take $1 off of these. Okay, the 129 bottles they don't have any more of, so I took the last 2 for $2.29. I also have this 5 off a $40 purchase on board buy a little coupon that I'm going to use. I'm going to get 2 trash bags. $43.38 is my before total. Let me even my phone number. As bad as you think when people see you with the camera, because it's like social media is like a new wave now, so you gotta know people holding the camera up. I mean, you know I ain't talking to myself. So Bilo take 2. I had to come down to the Bilo in the hood for the Fiji water. My spy already chick, see her right there. They got some, so let me go twerk the rest of it. Vlog squad, let me tell y'all what just happened. So I'm at Bilo. My sister brought the driving cart to me, so the man who worked, he came behind it. He said, I gotta put this back. I said, she brought that for me. This motherfucker gonna ask me if I got my American Disabilities card. I'm like, what? He said, your Disabilities of America card to drive this cart. So I see him putting it back, but I kind of in disbelief. So I walk behind him. I say, so you mean to tell me I walk with a limp and got a whole prosthetic leg that you can clearly see, and you gonna ask me a question like that? Who is your manager? We gonna get it in a minute. We gonna call today's haul water and rudeness. So much so, I'm done for the day, y'all. I am officially done. I'm going to pick up dinner with a gift card, and we just going to shorten this. Normally, I give y'all more merchandise, but I can't believe that just happened, and he's the manager on duty tonight. So I'm going to do my survey where they have the different stores contact you, and they better contact me because this is unacceptable. I'll see y'all in the next video.